Playtime.
What are we gonna do today, buddy?
Play sequence for kids.
When did you get this?
For Christmas from my mom and dad.
Yeah. And then let's see the front. What kind of animals do we see on here?
We see a penguin, we see a hippo, we see a giraffe, we see an ostrich, we see a gorilla, turtle, we see a lion, tiger, we see a zebra, we see an elephant.
Whoa. And then how many players is it?
It's
Right here, what does that
2
say?
to 4 players and 3 and up.
Ages 3 and up. So should be pretty simple for kids, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Can you and Daddy open it up?
Uh,
What's on the back?
Oh.
There are directions on the back? Oh, cool. Play a card from your hand. Place your chip on a corresponding character on the board. When you have 4 in a row, it's a sequence, and you win. Use a unicorn card to place your chip anywhere, removing your opponent's chip with a dragon card. Have fun with your friends playing sequence for kids. So a unicorn means you can place a chip anywhere. A dragon card means you get to take somebody's chip away.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Never heard about that.
Okay, can you guys open it up?
I don't know how to.
Your daddy can help you.
Whoa. And then the lid has to.
That's the lid.
Oh, maybe.
See, I see the lid.
Oh, I think it might have some
Is there like tape on it?
tape on there.
Ah, there's tape on it.
Okay, be right back. We're gonna get something to open this up.
No.
It's like it's such a secret game that you can't even unbox it. Oh, wow, that is a secret game.
It's suctioned in there. Yikes.
Don't break it, Daddy.
Yeah, try not to break it. Oh, these animals don't want to come out, huh? They don't like it down here. Maybe it's the dragons that keeps the spots together.
There's no dragon.
Well, couldn't you get a dragon so you could
Phew.
remove chips?
All right, so what's inside here? Here, I'll take that.
There's nothing.
What else do you see? What color chips do you have?
Blue,
Blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
and red.
and red.
And the cards. Why is there a board?
All right, so
It's a
let's.
board game?
It is a board game. Can you take it out? All right, let's move
Yeah,
this.
you're in this.
Do you know what game?
What? This is not a board game.
Yeah,
It is a board game. You know how we played grown-up sequence before?
Yes.
Should we move some of Mommy's flowers? So we've already played grown-up sequence, and this seems pretty similar, but here's some of the directions. It says 2 to 4 players. There's 42 playing cards, well, game board. 42 playing cards, 84 playing chips. And what colors were they again, buddy?
Blue, green, yellow, and red.
Yes. First player to make a sequence of 4 chips in a row using only their chips is the winner. A connected series of 4 of the same colored chips in a straight line, either up and down, across, or diagonally on the game board. Game setup. We did that. We placed the board in the center of the playing area. Each player chooses a colored set of chips. Do you want to hand out the chips, buddy, to Mommy and Daddy?
Yes. So these are my chips, and Daddy, these are your chips. What's your favorite?
Can I do yellow?
Yes. Daddy, you got red. Your favorite color.
Thank you.
Daddy's doing the next step. It says, once you have your chips, one player shuffles the cards and deals 3 cards one at a time face down to each player. So after Daddy shuffles, he'll give each of us 3 cards. And then you can look at your own cards. The remaining cards are placed face down in the pile somewhere near the board and used as a draw deck. 1 second, buddy.
Everybody can see
It's okay.
these are the unicorns and the dragons.
Okay, so let me put it one in my hand.
Unicorn
So this is the unicorn. This lets you put a chip in any place. You see it, buddy?
Yeah. Yes.
So this lets you put something anywhere, even if you don't have the card, okay? And this is the dragon card. Ah! And this, so say Daddy has 3 in a row, and you want to keep him from getting the 4th, right? You would use this card, because then you can remove it, okay?
Okay.
So those are going to be put in the deck as Daddy shuffles them, okay? And then it says,
These are plastic.
the player to the left of the dealer, moving clockwise. Well, we're going to play a little bit differently. We usually play the youngest goes first, right? So we'll do that. The youngest goes first, which means you go first, Mommy goes second, and Daddy goes last.
Why can't I go even?
Because Daddy's older than Mommy. The next time Daddy can go.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see.
Sequence.
That player selects a card from their hand. Let's listen to the directions. So you would pick a card from your hand and decide where you want to put it. Then you would discard that card and pick up a new one. Okay?
Okay.
So if you had a zebra, you would put the zebra card down and put a chip there. Will you do that for me? And then you would pick up a new card from the deck that Daddy's shuffling.
Or you could put the zebra.
Show me where else.
Here.
Right there. That's right. There's 2 options.
Everyone has 2 options.
Yep. Do you remember what these are in the grown-up sequence?
Oh, those ones are like, so like, one, this is an extra coin.
Yeah, it's free, right?
Yes, free. So like, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. So you would only need to put 3 pieces down, right? So let's say you had a penguin, a moose, and a panda bear. You could put your free space here, and then you would win, right? Yeah.
That would be fun.
All right. When the deck so say we have the whole board covered. Well, not the whole board covered. Say we use all the cards. We would reshuffle all our cards and start again.
Okay, but I need my card.
Yep. So Daddy's shuffling, or he's dealing them right now. So look at Daddy's giving us each 3 cards.
Card.
Oh, your card holder. Where is it? We're gonna take a pause. Matthias has a super cool card holder that we're gonna get, and then we're gonna set up our chips, get them ready, and then we will come back in just a second and start the game. We'll show everybody how to play, right?
I need to stack mine.
You can stack them. You could totally stack them. All right, we found Matthias's card holder.
Did
Okay.
you see? There's a joker in the middle.
There's a joker in the middle. This thing is so cool. Do you know where we got it? Do you remember?
No.
Amazon. Mommy bought this from Amazon. It was super cheap.
Yeah, because I can't hold like 5 or 6 or
Lots of
10
cards.
coins. I can't hold that in my little hand.
Yeah, that's right. So it really helps kids with little hands hold their cards. So do you want to show everybody how you put your cards in there?
Yes, but I want to show everybody at the back.
Okay, yep, you flip it over and then you'll put your cards in there. This is what it's called. The original little hands card holder. So if you got little hands, this is a great way to help kids hold all their cards. Like when you're playing Go Fish, right? Yes. Or Uno.
Yeah.
Comes in really handy with Uno. And now we can do it with sequence. So you put your cards in, show everybody how you do it. Yeah. So they just slide right in there. It's so cool, right? All right, so we're gonna look at our cards. And Matthias is gonna go first. All right, buddy. Ready to go? Do you know which one you want to do first? He has Wally the Whale. All right, where's Wally the Whale on here?
Right here and up here.
Okay, which one do you want to do? They're both in a really good spot because you have a free space you could use here, or you could use this free space over here. So which, right down your shirt. What the?
Where'd it go?
I don't know. Oh, man down, man down. Our chipping on the floor. Ah,
There's no whale down on the floor, buddy.
there's no whale on the floor. Okay, and then you pick up a new card. So here's our card deck. We always want to have 3 cards. All right, I get to go next. Let's see. I'm gonna do Trevor the Tiger. So
Trevor? Oh, yeah.
let's see. Trevor the Tiger is either right here or right here. So I'm gonna do this one because it's close to me. All right, it's Daddy's turn. Oh wait, I gotta pick up a card. All right.
I will do Jerry the giraffe.
Jerry the giraffe. And where are the giraffes, Daddy? Right there?
Right here.
Or
here.
right there. All
To
right.
block Mommy from getting 4 in a row.
No, Daddy blocked me. All right, little buggy, it's your turn. What are you thinking? Henry the hippopotamus. So where is the hippopotamus?
Right here and right here.
That's right. Which one are you going to do?
Sinew.
What? Look at Matthias already has 3 because he has the hippo, the whale, and the free space.
Space. I don't have.
Yeah, that's all right. You get to pick up another card now, right?
You get the fox.
Nope.
Well, don't tell us.
Or the unicorn.
It's a secret. All right, it's Mommy's turn. I'm going to switch it up then and do Monty the Moose. And he's right here or he's over here. But I'm going to do this one because it's close to me.
It's a free space.
And there's a free space over there. Whoopsies, I grabbed 2. All right. Daddy's turn.
Okay. It's hard to block all of you at the same time. I think I will do Sherman the shark.
Sherman the shark. And where is he? He's right
Right
here.
here or right here.
Good job, buddy.
Put one right here.
I know what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do? Percy the penguin. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good for Mommy.
Where is it? Right here or right here?
Mm-hmm.
Which one are you gonna do?
Vodka!
Oh man,
Did you
look at
block
that.
Mommy?
First Daddy blocked me, and now she is. Are you guys conspiring against me?
Well, we're teaming up.
Are you serious? You're teaming up? Now pick up a new card, sweet boy.
Get a new card. Oh.
We don't have this one. Oops.
I didn't see it. You're good.
No,
These
you're
guys
good,
might. These guys might have seen it, but I didn't see it. All right, Mommy's turn. I have this one again, Trevor the Tiger. So I'm gonna put it over there on the other free space. And I'll pick up a card. All right, Daddy's turn.
I will do Willie the wolf.
Willie the Wolf, and where's he?
He's right here, but he's also right here. But Daddy already had one.
Tricky, tricky. Now Daddy has 3 in a row. Ooh. All right, it's Matthias's turn. Look at that thinking face. Look at that.
Thinking about it, huh?
He's thinking about it.
What's my next move going to be? Oh, you know it. Okay. You know what your next move is going to be? Oh, what's it going to be?
Ooh, Camille the camel.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi.
Right here and
Can you find the other one? It's close to
Yeah,
Daddy.
that's
Yeah.
right. You are right, buddy. I think you got it.
here.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi.
Block you.
Oh, you're so tricky.
And then it's close to your own here, huh?
Yes.
It's a good strategy.
Making
Okay.
a pattern.
Can you pick up card? Don't say anything. All right, let's see what I have. Yeah,
The
honey.
unicorn mean again?
The unicorn means you can put it wherever you want.
You put one of your blue things right where you want.
Okay.
You can put it on the penguin, the gorilla, the turtle, wherever you want.
Yeah.
Or you could help Mommy out and block Daddy. Just kidding. I'm going to be tricky, though. I have this card.
What is it?
Dorothy the Dragon.
Oh my.
And I'm going to get rid of that
Oh
one.
no, she took Daddy's. Oh man, I just need to leave the turtle to get 4 in a row.
You do. Oh my goodness. Shh, don't tell anybody. Okay. I think you should use it on yours.
I've got it.
Yeah, but you could also win. Remember?
What do you need to win?
Ooh.
Box.
That's right, that's all you need. Did Mommy pick up a card?
Yep.
I'm going to do Gloria the gorilla.
Gloria the
She's
gorilla.
over here where there's no one really. But then she's also over here.
Ooh, blocked Matthias.
2 in a row.
Look at, he had free space, gorilla, and this one, and this one. And Daddy blocked him. But Matthias still holds a chance right here.
Mm-hmm.
Rumor has it he's got a good card in his deck. I wonder if he's going to use it. Ah, Ulysses the Unicorn.
What is it called?
Ulysses the Unicorn.
Ulysses the Unicorn?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put it right.
Ooh, I
Where are
wonder.
you going to put it?
Win.
Pew, pew, pew. The winner. Yay.
It's like 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3?
So it's like 3 rounds.
Okay.
So we shuffle again.
Okay.
Ah, you won the first round, buddy.
You know
That was
what?
good play.
We'll speed up the other 2 rounds for our family here online,
Why?
and then they can see who wins best 2 out of 3. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
No, we had a giraffe.
Who's the winner of the second game?
Me.
What?
Wow.
Look at that. Matthias, you got 5 in a row. You didn't even need to get 5.
Got 5 in a row.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Matthias.
We'll play one more game, but Matthias will end up being the best out of 2 out of 3. But should we see who wins the third game?
Yes.
All right.
Imagine if my mom and dad doesn't win at all, and I just win the last round.
Are you serious?
Think so?
Yeah.
We'll see. All right, let's play one more game. No way. Who was the winner for the third game?
Me.
What?
I won all the games.
You won all
All
3?
the games, buddy.
Look, you got a diagonal. You didn't even need a free space with that win. What?
Oh, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4. Use the unicorn right here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look, I used the unicorn. This is the unicorn.
So it didn't even need to be best 2 out of 3. Matthias won all 3.
Ah,
I want to see what there was still in the pile. We had this.
oh, another unicorn in the pile.
We had this. We had this.
That was the one you really
This.
used. That. Oh,
We
yeah.
had this. We had
So many cards left.
we had this. And we had this.
Yeah, look at how many we had to use on the board. This was a longer game, wasn't it? Since you won all those games, buddy. Did you like Sequence for Kids?
Yeah.
How many thumbs up do you give it? 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs and 2 big toes? What?
Wait, no.
Whoa. 2 thumbs, 2 big toes, 8 fingers, 8 little toes. So how much in total? 10 fingers?
10 plus 7 is 20.
That's right. 10 plus 10 is 20.
20
You give it a
times
20?
10.
You loved this game? This was a good game, wasn't it? It was really fun.
Yes.
And it doesn't take too long to play a game. So if you just have a 10 minutes that you're trying to spare some time, you could squeeze in a game of Kid Sequence, right?
Yeah.
Or you can play for 20 minutes like we did. And play a few games, yeah. Yeah, so fun. Yikes. All right. You say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Matthias's Playtime.
Make sure to hit the subscribe
I might not be able to
button.
hear you. Try again.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Yep, hit the like and subscribe right down there for more of Matthias's Playtime videos. Okay, buddy. Hold on. All right, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.